Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft One at my old barn door. And I just kind of wanted to come on here real quick and just share some news with y'all. I know that y'all know that I just lost my Gracie. And, we've been living here taking care of Mom for a little over 3 years. And today is Wednesday, June 18th of 2024. And so we lost Gracie on June 4th. And so, trying to keep moving from that. And anyway, I'm not going to make this a whole long story. And I'm just basically just collaging just so y'all have something to look at while I'm chatting with you. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know that last Thursday, Mom took a turn for the worst, and she struggled all day that day. She had been struggling for several days, and so she struggled all day that day, and then she asked me to call all the kids to come and see her, so I did. And that night, just past midnight, she passed away. So, that's basically what I wanted to tell y'all. And so, not trying to make everything sad. That's not what this is about. But I just wanted y'all to be aware, because I know that y'all have been so kind to pray for her every time I've asked for prayers, and to pray for Gracie when I asked for prayers for her. And so I just wanted to come on here and just tell y'all how very much I appreciate each and every one of you for all of your prayers, your love, and your support, and your concern. And now she's in heaven with Jesus, and she's not struggling anymore. And so I just kind of wanted to let y'all know, because y'all are part of the family, I mean, we really do feel that, especially those of you who have stuck with me through thick and thin, through all the crazy things that has been going on. And, I know I've kind of been in and out here lately, and that's why, because, sometimes it's a lot to take care of somebody who's sick. So anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know what was going on. A couple of things that I wanted to share with you is, I know that I had told y'all that I was going to do a giveaway at the end of this week, but I'm going to have to postpone that for just a few days, because we have to take her to Memphis for her burial. That's where all of her family is at. And that's where her husband is. They've had a burial plot there for, I think since the 70s. And so that's where she will be buried. And we're in Knoxville, or just outside of Knoxville. We're just east of Knoxville. So it's about a little over a 6-hour drive for us. And so we're going to be taking her out there. Well, I mean, she's already on her way. The funeral services, they're transporting her. And so we're thinking that the service will be either Friday or Saturday. And I know I had told y'all that I was going to give give away this journal, and I still am. I'm just not going to be able to do it at the end of this week, and I know y'all understand that. So I'm just going to push it to the beginning of next week. And when I say beginning, I don't know yet. They don't have a day scheduled for the services yet. Until they get there tomorrow with the funeral home there. And, hopefully we can schedule it for Saturday. That's what we're shooting for. I am praying that it's not on Friday, because that is my sunshine's birthday, and that is the last thing he needs. So if y'all would once again pray for for that, you know, and let's pray that it doesn't have to be on his birthday. So anyway, this is still going to be given away, and it could be Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. I'm not sure how long we're going to be out there. I don't know what all we're going to have to do. So y'all know how things like that go. So I know that you will be understanding and patient with me. As soon as I get back and I can, I will get the giveaway done so that whoever wins it can get their sweet little journal, and you don't have to keep waiting. So thank y'all for understanding and being patient with us while we get through all of this that we have to deal with right now. So anyways, that was kind of what I wanted to come on and say. Also wanted to let you know I had been working on this, and so I just went ahead and put this in the shop. These are going to be for rice papers. They'll be, I know a lot of people are ordering my rice papers, and so I wanted to do something for, you know, June, July, May, June, and July, really. But, well, I didn't get it in there in May. So anyway, these will be fussy cuts that will be on rice paper, so you can decoupage with them, or, you know, use them to make your journals, or you can use them in anything. They will kind of work kind of like a washi sticker does. So you just cut them out and glue them on your project and have fun decorating with them. So anyway, those are in the shop. Anyway, sorry guys, my brain's not doing real good right now, so it's been a very stressful few days, and so just trying to figure things out, you know. Everything from this point seems like, you know, it feels like my whole world has changed, honestly, because I have spent so much time taking care of Mom, and she and we had us a regular routine, and, you know, it's different now, so I'm going to have to adjust. So anyways, this video is not meant to be sad. We loved her with our whole heart, and we are going to miss her desperately, but at the same time, we are very thankful that she has gone on ahead of us, and she doesn't have to be struggling anymore and coughing, and she always told me she wasn't in any pain, which I was very grateful for. I was always so thankful, because every time I would ask her that, I would say, Mom, do you hurt? And she would be like, no, I don't have any pain at all, is what she would tell me every single time. So that was always a relief and wonderful to hear that she didn't have any pain. So anyways, I'm just sitting here trying to do something with my hands for a few minutes while I'm taking a break from all of the other things. And, you know, sometimes you just have to get away for a second. So I thought while I was getting away for a second, I would just come on here and do a quick video and let y'all know what's going on. Now, I know that I released a video yesterday. It was a video that I had done actually last Wednesday, and it's the, if you haven't seen it, I will try to remember to link it in this video, but I won't promise you that I will remember, because I don't know that I will. But anyways, it was, I made that video last Wednesday before she passed on Thursday night, Friday morning, and never would I have ever thought that this would, you know, be happening this soon. But if you haven't seen the video, it's called, something about a talk in the garden, a garden heart to heart, or something like that. It has a rose on the thumbnail picture. If you go to my videos, you'll find it. If I forget to link it, and I'll be honest with you, I probably will, just because I'm having a hard time just thinking from one thing to the next right now. So anyways, I'm not going to stay on here a whole long time, because I have a lot of things that I've got to get taken care of. and get prepared for our trip to Memphis. So, you know, and there's lots of other things, y'all know. So anyways, I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know that that's what's going on. And again, I am sorry that I'm having to delay the giveaway, but as soon as I get back next week and I can get that done, I'll get that video uploaded. I'll get the video done first, because I don't have it done yet, because I was trying to wait to do the drawing until, you know, I was trying to give everybody enough time to see the video, is what I'm trying to say. So anyways, I will get that done as soon as I get back and I can get in here and do it. So anyways, I love y'all so much. We have greatly appreciated all of your prayers, your encouragement, your kindness, and your love. And I've also appreciated your patience with me, you know, through videos with coughing and loud TVs and, you know, but that was, you know, that was just life. So anyways, I'm going to get off here and go get myself busy getting things ready. And I will see y'all in the next video sometime next week. And I love y'all real big. Big hugs.